here's what the carpet looks like after it was cleaned. It ain't perfect. There's some spots on it. And the back carpet is a slightly different color gray. So it's probably from a different truck or a different year. Whatever the case, they both fit and they're both gonna get stained black. I boiled some water. It was like, I let it sit for a little bit. It was 175 degrees when I poured it in this bottle. The bottle's hot as fuck. But I'm just spraying it on. And I'll use a sacrificial lamb of a cloth to kind of brush it in. But I used half of a packet of the powder in one bottle of water. So I have, I guess, 6 bottles total I can do. Because if possible, I'd like it nice and dark. So this is 1 bottle. And that's the cheap ass bottle. And it was destroyed within a quarter of a bottle, probably due to the heat. So I had to use my good one, which I'm not too happy about, but this is what it is. 3 bottles, so a package and a half. This I just sprayed. All right, so I got the garage light on. You guys can see the stains in the carpet. It's not so prevalent to the naked eye, I promise you guys. Just the camera picks up on the dark spots and light spots really well for whatever reason, but that's only 1 coat. So now I have another coat to put on. Those were dark gray to begin with, you guys remember. So let's do another coat and see how it goes. All right, so there's the second coat. I actually turned it around so it's actually spraying and dripping from the opposite direction. And I'm pretty impressed with that. That looks pretty significant. Granted, it's wet. There's a second coat on these. And then I said, you know what? Let's pull that rear curtain off and do that too.